Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you ChatGPT privacy and security settings you need to change. So let's begin, and the first thing that I want to show you is disabling AI model training. The thing is that by default, OpenAI uses your chats and uploaded information to train its future models. So if you want to disable that, let's open ChatGPT and then in the upper left corner tap menu and then proceed to settings. Now let's scroll down until you see data controls section, and here at the top you will see improve model for everyone, and you want to turn off this toggle. This will basically prevent any chats from informing AI's learning, and it will disable your chat history sidebar. Next you can do is turning off saved memories. ChatGPT remembers your personal details such as your name, your job, etc., things like that. This actually can lead to unintentional data leaks across chats. So if you want to disable that, still in settings, you want to go to personalization. Sorry, not here, but memory. And from here, you want to open saved memories. And here you will review all memories that ChatGPT has from you. And if you want something to remove from here, then simply tap trash icon and this information will be deleted. But if you want, of course, you can simply disable this reference saved memories. This will basically not allow ChatGPT save and later use memories when it is responding to you. And about security, you can enable two-factor authentication. This is like a crucial layer of security so that hackers can access your login and things like that. So let's go back to homepage of settings and scroll down to security and login section. And here you will find Authenticator app. Let's go here, and you can toggle this on so that it allows you to use Authenticator application next time when you log into your account. And that's actually all for privacy and security settings that you need to change in your ChatGPT. And if this video was helpful for you, leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and see you in the next video.